moving, huh?
Doing what it's doing. She goes, I had to poop, which dexdomitor makes you do that. Detomidine. So I'm really doing a lot. I know a lot of the protocol with prolozone, you use the same amount of ozone gas as you do the liquid. I love to use as much ozone as I can. It's obviously in a more aggressive dose with the ozone. But that way it really fully dissipates all around, comes to this lateral aspect, which is where you get the stability, because that's what we're trying to do, is get stability in this knee joint, which is all the way up here in a dog. They don't have a lot of the bigger thigh going on there. Are you like?
Yeah, she
says I'm all good. And actually that's good because there's not clicky. We're going to do a little bit of this other knee that I think I can hit. We might have to flip her over. Should we flip you over? Let's go ahead and flip her over.
Okay.
Go this way.
Yep.
I gotta move my knee again. How do I get myself in the way, silly Billy? We're just gonna roll over Miss Maya. There we go. Okay. That's a good girl. Ugh. Except I'm not gonna be able, I'm gonna do her back from this position, then I'll switch with Michelle to do the. So we're doing a little bit in her lower back. Kind of the, again, it's by feel. Mostly along the lumbosacral, because she's actually had both knees. And so I'm going into the lower back. Really along acupuncture points. I'm not trying to hit by a facet or anything like that, because my issue's not primarily the lower back, it's more soft tissue. But I'm going to save my 3 cc's for the other knee, just to boost it. That was the original knee that had problems. I can reuse this because it's ozone. Makes it nice. And then Soren, I will have you make one more syringe of ozone for that right knee. She says, now I have enough sedation, you guys. We do have a reversal for that sedation too. So usually it doesn't take that much, but she says, I was nervous today. So we're just gonna do that. The ozone gas is the thing that really takes down the inflammation overall, but straight ozone gas burns. There's no doubt about it. So that's why we do the numbing liquid prior to that in the ideal world, because that is a little burny.